Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones Energy System Style 4 using your phone. So all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And then at the back side of your charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is this LED light on the front side, meaning that your headphones are charging. And this one is the only one option how to charge your headphones using your phone, because this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!